Welcome to ATech. In this video, I will tell you that how you can create professional AI images free of cost. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp and click on Meta sign. Here you can write a prompt that create a flying line picture. So Meta AI will create a picture for me. So you can see a line is flying. So I want to create another image, create an image in which cute 5 years old student play football, and you can see the magic that a beautiful picture is created. So again I want to create a picture, create an image in which a bird is beating elephant. So let's see what Meta AI creates for us. So you can see a bird is beating an elephant. So in this way you can create amazing pictures. So now I want to create professional picture. You can see the prompt. Create an image of a beautiful 10-year-old boy sitting on a river bank in happy mood, wearing red t-shirt and black shirt. So you can see it's a professional picture. You can create such an amazing picture with Meta AI on your mobile phone. Now I will create another professional picture. An old man and his grandson in a jungle. And you can see the magic. You can see Meta AI creates a professional picture for us. So in this way you can create